Next question, this would be number 11. For investing in stocks, and I guess this would be shares traded on US exchanges, is it better to use a US bank account, a Singapore bank account, or if I have a non-resident alien spouse, I guess he or she's married to a Singaporean, their Singapore account? And I'm not sure, questionnaire, what do you mean by better? But what you just keep in mind, well, let's create some context. From a tax perspective, the treatment, whether you as a US person invest using your US bank account and presumably your address or Singapore, would be the same, because any gains get reported on your US tax return as they would normally be, and any losses would be deductible subject to passive activity loss rules. So it's business as usual. Now, if it is that your partner, who is Singaporean, 100% Singaporean, not a US person, if they invest in US shares, then their tax treatment will be slightly different in that the dividends, or depending on what the security may be, it'll be interest. So dividends and interest will be subject to FDAP rules. FDAP stands for fixed something periodic, fixed discretionary annual periodic income, something like that. Sometimes forget what that acronym stands for, but basically it'll be subject to 30% withholding. Now that withholding is reduced by treaty, but because Singapore has no tax treaty with the US, there's no reduction. So he or she, as a non-US person investing in shares in Tesla or Microsoft or whatever, the dividends will be subject to 30% withholding, but capital gains are tax-free. So non-US person investing in US shares, typically capital gains are tax-free. The exception would be if the underlying assets may be real estate. So real estate is treated separately, but just normal securities will be tax-free. So it matters less where the bank account is and more who the ultimate beneficial owner of the investment will be, or what structure that you use. So I hope that helps you.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.